Hi, it's Jane here again. Now, I have taken the time to book my tickets to see Robert Kyosaki when he is in Melbourne next month. I'm so excited about this. He's in Melbourne, August the 27th, Brisbane, August the 25th, and Sydney, August the 23rd. Now, I'm 47 now, and 20 years ago, I picked up Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and it changed my life. So it's almost 20 years ago that Rich Dad, Poor Dad made the impression on me, and it was the question that he asked: do you work for your money, or does your money work for you? Well, that pretty much changed everything for me. And from then on, I knew that I had to do more than just work the grinding job every single day. And so that's why I'm so excited to actually attend the Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kyosaki predictions of what's going to happen in 2018 and beyond. Now, I know Robert's got some interesting and controversial ideas on property, but I think we should open ourselves up to them. Now, today is the final day for the early bird special, and I'm sorry I haven't got this to you earlier, but I have actually not gone for the $99 ticket in Melbourne. I have gone for the $500 ticket so I could get a photo with Robert. I know, what a nerd, right? But as I said, 20 years ago, Rich Dad, Poor Dad changed my life. I had the fantastic opportunity last year of talking to Kim Kyosaki. Now, Kim is the one who really is talking about property, and it's her passion. I encourage you to go and have a look at that Your Property Success podcast. Just Google it. It's in SoundCloud and in iTunes. She was so very generous with her time. They have 10,000 properties. These guys know what they're doing. However, apparently there could be some dark clouds ahead. So I'd like to hear different people's perspectives on what's going on in the market. I encourage you to come along to the Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kyosaki, what's he calling it? The Wealth Masters Tour. Tickets are $99. I believe they're going to go up tomorrow being Friday, but I have put myself down for the diamond package. Now, if you're in Melbourne and you are going to attend the Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Wealth Masters Robert Kyosaki talk, let me know, shoot me an email, and we're going to organise for a few of us to get together. Maybe we'll have a meet up at lunchtime or maybe afterwards so we can actually debrief and have a chat about what actually happened. Now, if you attend the Brisbane or the Sydney course, don't worry, we will all get on maybe a Facebook Live or something, just a small intimate group, or go to a webinar, and we will have a chat about it, because I think it's really interesting to see what other people's perspectives are, and I'm interested to hear what you pick up from the seminar series as well. So we'd love to have you come along. I know there's a few people flying down so that we can all go together in Melbourne. I can't wait to see you there, and look, click the link, go and get a ticket. It's a day of your time, and if we're not learning, we're not growing. So I hope to see you there, and please join me.